Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's hair review. Let's get straight into it, guys. This hair has been, I'm going to say highly requested because of the simple fact, sorry. A lot of things going on in this area, but I'm gonna say highly requested because when I was showing off this hair on Snapchat and on my Insta Snap story, everybody was like, okay, hold on, sis, hold on, what hair is that? What hair is that? So I'm here to give y'all the lowdown dirty fix. Okay, so this hair comes from Alipearl. Sorry, hold on. Alipearl Hair Company. Okay, this is the box that it came in. Let's just get into what kind of hair it is. I am going to be reading off of my phone. This is their deep wave texture, and I have it in 20, 22, 24 with a 20 closure. Yes, guys, this is a closure. This is not a frontal, okay, but I finessed it, okay, honey. You guys already see how I kind of finessed it. I did make this wig myself. I just got sent bundles, okay. So my whole objective with this wig was like, okay, I want a deep side part with like the curly hair, but I want it with like my closure, okay, but I want it to look like a frontal, you know what I'm saying? So the way I constructed the wig is that instead of laying my frontal like dead center, I laid it on the edge of the wig cap. So I was just like, and I don't really do it like that. Most of the time I lay my frontal in the middle of the cap, and if I want to switch it over, I can switch it over, but I wanted it, can you speak? Okay, I wanted it, I'm done with that, to be thicker on top, okay, like thicker, like my bang part to be thicker, and I wanted the side to be kind of thinner. So that's what I did. I laid it on the very side of the cap, and when I parted it for my part, I parted it at the edge of that closure. Like I don't have much of this, is like the like this much of the closure left on this part, but I have more on this part, okay? So it kind of creates that frontal illusion effect, and I absolutely love it, okay? I rarely wear side parts, but I like it when it's kind of like off to the side and not really like in my face like talking about, okay? So I will be coming back to you all with a update on this hair, but initially the hair is fine, okay? I think you guys already know, if you watch some of my other curly hair videos, when you do get curly hair, wavy hair, whatever kind of hair, just know when it comes in like that artificial like curl, you do have to get it out of that curl, okay? You have to comb it and brush it out so that you can get this type of look. This hair is dry, so that you can get this type of look, okay? Don't think that, you know, when you get it out the bag it's gonna be that type of curl. No, you have to manipulate it, and I say this in every single video that has something to do with curly, wavy, kinky hair. You're gonna have to manipulate it. Once you manipulate it, then you will get a style like mine. I did show you all how I got this look. I got this look the same way I get any other curly hair look, okay? One thing that I really liked about this company is their closure. I'm gonna say that because you get a good amount of parting space. As you all can see, I did not bleach my knots. You all see that I use makeup, but anyway, you get a good amount of parting space. I think that's plenty for a closure, okay? Especially this is just a regular closure. Good amount of parting space. Also, this closure came with baby hair. OMG, I love this so much. It came like parted, and it had like little sparse hairs. If y'all seen in the first clips, all I had to do was literally cut them to my liking and then swoop my baby hair. Y'all, I like that so much. Y'all don't understand the convenience of just that little tip. Like I don't think they even understand how big of a help it was. It like made no work for me to do. I didn't have to like try to make the baby hairs and find the baby hairs, then snip, then lay, then snip, then lay. You didn't even have to, like, you don't have to do all that. I didn't have to do all that or whatever. I love their closure, and I said that I was gonna get on here and rave about their closure because I just think that their closure was like good. I have not received a closure like that in a while. That's why I'm kind of like, I know y'all probably like, oh, that's a little thing to be raving about. But it's kind of big because for people who aren't good at cutting baby hairs or making baby hairs, they did the work for you. Okay, so it was just easy, and all I did was pluck the closure a little bit, because y'all know I don't bleach my closures. So all I did was pluck the closure a little bit and just literally swoop the hairs. I didn't even pluck the hairs, I just swooped the hairs. Now I did pluck my y'all got me saying from. I did pluck my closure back a little bit so it can look a little bit more natural, so it can appear to look like scalp. And that was pretty much it, guys. Okay. So this is what she is looking like. I have that nice kind of wet look that we all love, that's gonna last all day. And so far I like it. Now one thing I am gonna say initially is that this hair is kind of dry. It's on the dry side. Okay, it was actually pretty dry when I was working with it. So in order to kind of, you know, add a little moisture in it, I not only use my spray bottle, I also use some, sorry, the top is not on it. I also use this leave-in conditioner, okay? It doesn't have to be this type of leave-in conditioner. Whatever kind of leave-in conditioner you have, you can even use regular conditioner. You do not have to use a leave-in conditioner. So whatever kind of conditioner you have, conditioner does really good with moisturizing, okay? Add it with a little bit of water like I did. I sprayed my hair first, combed it out, and I added a little bit of that leave-in conditioner, and it really did soften the hair up a lot because the hair was just really had this coarse, dry-like feel. Okay, and I was like, okay, yeah, we can do that. Okay, so yeah, it was a quick fix though. But as for right now, that is the only like kind of I got about the hair. I'll be back. Like I said, I'll be back to update you all, to let you guys know how things are going. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't have a lot to kind of say or a lot to touch on right now because this is kind of like an initial review. So that's pretty much it. I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and I do have all the hair pulled to the front. This hair is very full, okay? So that's what it looks like, and that's what we're working with. All right, I will have their links down below, guys. They have really good customer service. Their prices are pretty affordable. If you would like to check them out, click the links down below. And also let me know if you guys have tried this hair company or this hair texture, or if you've been thinking about trying this hair company or hair texture. You know, leave all the lowdown nerdy specs down below, and we always discuss. If I left anything out, leave that down below too. And yeah, I'll definitely see you on my next one.